In our hard and tricky CBSE question series, today we are going to do question number 9. The sum of the lengths of the hypotenuse and the side of a right triangle is given. Show that the area of the triangle is maximum when the angle between them is pi by 3. So we are given a right triangle. So there is a right triangle. Let's call the sides of the right triangle as x and y. The hypotenuse is root of x square plus y square. We are given, let us say, x plus root of x square plus y square is a constant. We are given the sum of the hypotenuse and the side of the right triangle is given. This is a constant. Area. Area is going to be half into x into y. So we need to replace y in terms of x. Now let us square equation 1 after shifting x to the right side. So what do you get? Root of x square plus y square is equal to k minus x. Square on both the sides. X square plus y square is equal to k square plus x square minus 2kx. So you get y square is equal to k square minus 2kx. So I can square this area and call that square as capital A square as a small a, which is 1 by 4 x square y square. If capital A has to be maximized, small a is also going to be maximized. So a is equal to 1 by 4 x square into, in the place of y square, I'll replace it as k square minus 2kx, which is going to be, I can pull out a k square by 4 into x square minus 2k by 4, that is k by 2x cube. So dA by dx, let us find dA by dx, k square by 4 into 2x minus k by 2 into 3x square, which is equal to 0. This gives us x equal to 0. Obviously x equal to 0 has to be rejected, because if x is equal to 0, there is no side for the triangle. The side of the triangle becomes 0, so that will reject it. So what is the other case? The other case is going to be k square by 2 is equal to, if you cancel a 2 and an x, you remove an x. On this side you get 3kx by 2. So you can cancel a k, you can cancel a 2, you get x is equal to k by 3. This is possible. Let us check the second derivative test. D square a by dx square is going to be k square by 4 into 2, that is k square by 2. When I differentiate x square, I get a 2x, I'll cancel that 2. So I get minus 3kx. When I substitute x is k by 3, I get k square by 2 minus k square, which is negative. So what is the conclusion? Therefore, when x is equal to k by 3, area of the triangle is maximum. Now the question is, what is the angle between these two sides? Which two sides? This side and this side. The sum of these two sides is a constant. We have to prove this angle is going to be pi by 3. We got the value of x as k by 3. Let's get the value of y in terms of k. Y square is equal to k square minus 2kx. Y square is equal to k square minus 2kx. We got k is x equal to k by 3, 2k into k by 3, which is k square minus 2k square by 3, which is equal to k square by 3. So y is equal to k by root 3. So we know x is equal to k by 3, y is equal to k by root 3. Now they are talking about this angle. We have to justify for the area to be maximum, the angle between the hypotenuse and the side whose sum is fixed is pi by 6. So I'll find out tan theta. Tan theta is equal to y by x. So tan theta is equal to y by x. We got y as k by root 3, x is k by 3. So this gives you a root 3, theta is equal to pi by 3. We need to justify the angle between them is this plus this is a constant. We have to prove the angle between the hypotenuse and that side is equal to pi by 3 for the area of the triangle to be maximum.